Irma's coming up. But we are prepared for the worst and the best.
Woo! And mine, just because I care so much about Jeff, I've added more words to the title. It's the title, Storm, Serge, ER or UR, No Bueno, Fruit Punch. I like it.
Wow, with a punch.
That's the first time anybody's ever turned a title into a whole book. This is the bottom tin. It has a few leaves of cilantro. They've been muddled, so I won't have to do that in front of you. Then we'll do 1.5 ounces of good table reposado. In honor of rum, the core amber from Martinique. We're going to do a 1/2 ounce. Next, in honor of the Caribbean, Creole shrub. It's a shrub, so it's a bit of a liqueur d'orange with kind of a probably sugar cane in there. 1/2 ounce of that. 3/4 ounce lime juice. All right, then we have just good old Florida orange juice. We're going to do a 1/2 ounce of that. We're going to do a 1/2 ounce of passion fruit. Or 1/4 ounce hibiscus syrup.
Orgeat syrup.
And this is like I roasted the almonds a little bit longer to get a bit more nutty flavor out of it. I'm saying let's do a 1/4 ounce of that. Get a little bit of almond creaminess in there. The habanero Hellfire. Bitters, we'll just put a couple drops in there.
Serge dance. No bueno, no bueno, no bueno, no bueno, no bueno. Strain it.
Look at that.
Burritos throw. Yeah. Little grapefruit. Spritz. Little mescal that my brother gave me.
Floater.
Yeah, the Magua. Yeah. All right. So, cheers. Woo. Ooh.
Nice.